So we are here with a unboxing today from Model Model. I got this from Black Hairspray for $102. Now here we are, well, nope, here we are. So it's, like I said, Model Model, a nude 100% Brazilian hair, human haired lace front wig. So I got her on sale. I got like 15% off, so she's $102. I was really excited for that because she looks really long. I don't think she says, it's a 5-inch part line. We'll see her in here. Bear with me. Get her all clipped out. Oops. Now I've been going through a long hair kick. First I was on bobs and lobs, and now here we are with long. All right, let's take all this out. Don't mind all the excess noise. I forgot to turn off my AC and my cat's down here with me, so there's a lot going on. Hopefully it's not unbearable. Okay, so just taking a look. That part line is gorgeous. Very happy with that. And I love the lace. It's actually pretty light, so it'll blend really nice with my skin tone. But that part line looks beautiful. She has little baby hairs. And look at that length. Hold on, back up. Look at that. That is gorgeous, and it's thick. Like, especially with the longer units, I feel they get really sad at the ends. But she's really soft. Looks like there's a little bit of layering in there. Yep. But just to make it look natural, no tangling and no shedding. And I got one hair. That's really good. Very, very soft. Love this texture. She is thicker, meaning like I will really like her, but she is on the thinner to medium for actual density. So for like normal people, I am very much in love with this. Okay, let's get her on. She looks perfect with the typical, 2 combs in the front, 1 by the nape. Let's get her on. She seems a little wider, so we'll find out. Ooh, no, she fits perfectly. Wow. Okay. Perfect for my head. Okay. Let's bring it all forward. Sorry, I'll back up. Look at that. That is some long, gorgeous hair. And still no tangles, no shedding at all, just that time. I'm looking in the mirror right now. I'm really digging this wig. All right. This is great. Okay, I'm going to get her lengths down for everyone. I'll do a little turn so you can see. I am loving this. Yeah, so we will be putting her as a front runner. Even though it's been really hot, and I normally like to have shorter hair in summer because it's not sticking to me and all gross, but come on, this is stunning. Okay, so here we are, Model Model. I don't even know, sorry, I think her name was something, oh yeah, Origin 301. So no fun name. Origin 301. In natural dark, I should say that too. Duh. Gosh, I'm all over the place today. I was way too excited to open this up that I forgot to even tell you the things that you would want to know to look at it for yourself. For what the price that I also got her at a discounted price, yeah, but honestly, she'd be beautiful paying way more than that. So here we are, okay? I will be back shortly with a review for this unit. Thank you so much for watching.